Hey, I'm standing here in Antigua, Guatemala on a road that was built almost 500 years ago by people's taxes. And taxes have been around for thousands of years. In fact, 2,000 years ago, the Pharisees tried to trick Jesus of Nazareth into saying something that would get him arrested by the Romans and eventually killed. But he was smarter than them. And when they asked him, Master or Teacher, you're so honest, what do you think about us paying taxes to Caesar? And he responded with, render to Caesar what is Caesar's. And so what he was saying was, hey, you have to pay taxes, but he did not say pay more than you're legally required to pay. I travel all over the world teaching entrepreneurs and business owners how to legally protect their assets from lawsuits, as well as how to significantly reduce their income taxes and many times completely eliminate it. And here's this common theme that I get from all the locals, regardless of where I'm at, and that is they hate paying income taxes. Do you like to pay taxes?
I don't like to pay taxes. No.
I do like to pay tax. No.
We don't like to pay taxes. We don't like it. No like it.
Now, as you can see from the people I interviewed here on the street, people hate paying taxes. Now, if you're a business owner and you also hate paying taxes, I can save you potentially tens of thousands of dollars a year by simply applying a few things that most people don't know of. In fact, Forbes recently did a study and they found that 94% of business owners paid more in taxes than legally required to pay. Imagine tipping the IRS just because your CPA, the certified public accountant, the person that went to school for 4 years to learn accounting but knows very little about taxes. See, 90% of CPAs don't file taxes. They work for Fortune 500 companies and banks, and they just know how to do accounting. So if you're a business owner and you'd like to learn how to legally reduce your taxes by at least 50%, reach out by clicking the link below, joining my next free workshop, or you can learn more at winningthetaxgame.com. That's winningthetaxgame.com. You see, how much money you make is not as important as how much money you keep. And I want to help you keep more. So click the link below to join me on my next free tax workshop where I'm going to show you how to legally protect your assets from lawsuits. I'm going to show you how to create generational wealth and reduce your taxes by at least 50%. After all, I want to help you keep more.